Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working here guys on a Dodge Dart, and we're going to show you guys if you're trying to find the relay for the Hvac system or the blower motor fan. Stay with us and we'll explain where it's located, guys. If your heater, blower motor fan doesn't work or your heater controls do not work, check that relay, guys. Very important relay. Now, quick introduction. We guys have more than 200 videos on this Dodge Dart and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the videos. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now, if you guys have any questions, leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your problem. If you need to buy relays, car parts, tools, anything like that, we'll have guys the link in the description of the video below where you can get them for a super good price and usually very fast shipping as well. Now I'll go ahead, open the hood and show you where that heater, fan, blower motor fan relay is located and how to replace it, guys. Not very complicated at all. This is it, guys. We have a 2015 Dodge Dart that we'll be demonstrating on, and this is 2.4 engine, but doesn't matter which engine you have, the procedure should be the same. This is your car battery. Next to the car battery you have a you can see a fuse box right there. How you open it, you press in here, pull up, then you need to come out, okay, like that. And on the back side of the fuse box you have the layout, okay, and that layout corresponds to what we have here. For instance, check it out, we have a relay, 2, 4, 5 fuses, 2 relays, 3 fuses, okay, and that's how it goes. Relay, 5 fuses, 2 relays, 3 fuses. So the one that we're looking at, guys, okay, it's relay number 30, T30, guys. Okay, if it starts with T it's a relay, if it starts with F it's a fuse. T30 is a very big relay, it's this one right here. If you need to buy one, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. Check it out, guys. So I'll go ahead, grab it with the pliers. Okay, pull it out. This is it. Okay, you can see, guys, this is the relay. Now, if you need to see the part number, anything like that, guys, we're going to have the link in the description of the video below and you can see where you can get one from. But without that relay, your blower motor fan will not work, your heater will not work at all, guys. So AC will not work because of that thing. So very important component. You just grab the new one later, okay, and all we have to do, grab it and push it in. And when you're ready, don't forget, guys, okay, to close your box, because if you do, okay, you can get dirt, dust, you can get humidity inside of it, and that can damage your fuse box there, and that could be catastrophic. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment below. We'll be glad to make a video for your specific problem when we have a chance. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you guys next time.